कोरियन फैशन से हम सब ऑब्सेस्ड हैं, मैं भी। और स्पेसिफिकली बात करूं तो आज हम कोरियन पैंट स्टाइल करने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में। फॉर मी कंफर्ट इज अ प्रायोरिटी और कोरियन पैंट्स एग्जैक्टली आपको कंफर्ट देता है अलोंग विद स्टाइल। वेल व्हाट एग्जैक्टली कोरियन पैंट्स ऑफर टू यू? एवरीथिंग, रिलैक्स्ड फिट, प्लीट्स, हाई वेस्ट, कंफर्ट और इन सब चीजों के साथ एक बढ़िया फैशन स्टेटमेंट। वेल एक इजी येट स्टाइलिश 9 to 5 वार्डरोब क्रिएट करने के लिए कोरियन पैंट्स आर रियली हेल्पफुल. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 6 beautiful Korean pants in different colors from the brand Broadstar. ये मैंने Myntra से ली हैं सारी pants under 2000 rupees. All the pants are in budget, but they look very expensive. और ये सारी looks create करने के लिए हम बहुत minimal accessories use करेंगे, जैसे कि ये neutral heels, एक basic black bag, watch. अगर आप specs पहनते हो तो specs और sunglasses style करना पसंद करते हो तो sunglasses. That's it. बहुत ही minimal makeup and that's it. एक्सेसरीज एंड मेकअप आप पर्सनली योर चॉइस, आप कितना ज्यादा एनहांस करना चाहते हो, कितना मिनिमल रखना चाहते हो, इज टोटली योर चॉइस. आई वांट टू कीप इट वेरी वेरी मिनिमल सो दैट इट्स रिलेटेबल टू द लार्जर ऑडियंस. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर लुक नंबर 1. So I'm starting with a basic black pant from the brand Broadstar. Like I said, it is bought from Myntra. All these pants are under 2000 rupees. Very much in budget, लेकिन पहने हुए बहुत ही classy और expensive लगती हैं. Well, black बहुत ही basic color है. Reason of buying this pant is कि आप ये multiple color की t-shirts और tops के साथ पहन सकते हो. Well, today's video's highlights are these Korean pants. इसीलिए मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा colorful या stylish tops या shirts नहीं दिखाऊंगी. I'll keep very basic t-shirts so that हमारा ध्यान Korean pants पे रहे. At the same time हमें ये भी पता चलता है कि बहुत ही basic t-shirts के साथ ये Korean pants कितनी smart लगती हैं. So yes, I'm starting with this black pant. अब इस black pant में आप देखोगे it's a high waisted pant. Double lock and a zip is what you get in the pant. At the same time, it is a little bit of stretchable fabric, so it's very comfortable on you. I have bought this in size 32. इसके अलग-अलग sizes available हैं. It's a pleated pant like you see, और pleated pant का finish बहुत ही सुंदर आता है when you style it for your office or a formal look. इस pant को मैं black t-shirt, white t-shirt और grey t-shirt के साथ style करूँगी. Like you see, all the 3 colors look beautiful with black, black on black, contrasting white and black, and little bit of subtle combination of grey and black. All 3 look beautiful. साथ में I'm gonna carry a black bag. If you want to wear your glasses in the office, you can easily wear your glasses. You can smartly style it with a beautiful pair of sunglasses. उसके साथ मैंने स्टाइल की है अपनी watch. Now if you're not a watch person, आप बहुत अच्छे से कोई एक bracelet, just like the one I'm wearing, या layered up bracelets बहुत अच्छे से आप स्टाइल कर सकते हो. Whatever is your style, you please enhance that. एंड उसके साथ आई एम वेयरिंग दीज ब्यूटिफुल न्यूट्रल हील्स. ये मेरे ऑलमोस्ट हर तरीके के आउटफिट के साथ चली जाती हैं क्योंकि ये न्यूट्रल कलर है, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा स्टाइल करने के लिए दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता कि ओके मैंने ये कलर पहना है तो इस कलर के साथ मुझे कौन सा हील या फ्लैट या शूज स्टाइल करने चाहिए. सो न्यूट्रल फ्लैट्स, न्यूट्रल हील्स या न्यूट्रल एक्सेसरीज आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. तो किसी भी तरह की एक्सेसरीज विच आर न्यूट्रल इन कलर और बेसिक्स जैसे ब्लैक, ब्राउन, ब्लू, ये आपके हर तरीके के आउटफिट के साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाती हैं. So first up, I'm wearing this black pant with a black t-shirt. It's all in all black and black look. इसके साथ मैं black bag carry कर रही हूँ. And to break the element of black a little bit, मैंने nude heels इसके साथ style कर ली हैं, which looks very very classy. Second styling हम करेंगे एक contrast color के साथ, which is completely plain white t-shirt and a black pant. Again, very beautiful combination, especially in a formal styling. Again, the same heels I'm styling, using the same black bag, my watch. And then you can choose between your glasses and sunglasses as you wish, as per where you are exactly, right? Third look हम same pant के साथ create करेंगे, which is a grey t-shirt and a black pant. Again, a beautiful color combination. All the accessories remain same, black bag, nude heels, my watch, and then the glasses or whatever you like to wear. Even if you do not want to wear your glasses, it's absolutely fine. Accessories, like I said, completely rely on your own style, your wish, your comfort, and what you not want to be. Some people really like to layer it up with a lot of accessories. Some people keep it minimal. So it's very important that you enhance your own style rather than blindly following a trend. That's my 2 cents to you. Coming on to the next pant, which is brown in color. Now this one has a black button here on the belt. You get loops to wear your belt. Again, a very comfortable fabric, totally opaque, कोई transparency नहीं है इन सारी पैंट्स में, तो आप बहुत comfortably इनको आप स्टाइल कर सकते हो. इस पैंट में थोड़ा सा different styling है. You see, it has an elements of pleats, but very different from the other pants. So this is how it looks. So this is a basic brown pant. Again, looks very very elegant. इसको मैं basic black और और बेसिक व्हाइट टी शर्ट के साथ पेयर करूंगी। सबसे पहले ब्लैक ट्राई करते हैं। सो यू सी ब्लैक एंड ब्राउन बेसिक कलर्स हैं बट लुक्स वेरी वेरी एलिगेंट एंड पुट टुगेदर, राइट? सेम एक्सेसरीज यूज कर रही हूँ, कुछ अलग नहीं, कोई मैं डिफरेंट बैग्स नहीं ले रही हूँ, डिफरेंट हील्स नहीं ले रही हूँ। इट्स ऑल राइट। अगर आपके पास एक सिंगल बेसिक बैग है उसको आप अनगिनत आउटफिट्स के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो एंड यू नीड नॉट स्पेंड मनी ऑन कलेक्टिंग डिफरेंट एक्सेसरीज। ऑफकोर्स अगर वो आपका शौक है एंड इफ यू लाइक डूइंग दैट गो अहेड, बट आपको सिर्फ देख के इन्फ्लुएंस होके चीजें लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। व्हाटएवर यू हैव यू कैन easily beautifully style all those things, right? And that's exactly why मैं अलग अलग हर एक आउटफिट के साथ और हर एक स्टाइल के साथ अलग अलग एक्सेसरीज यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ। एक वॉच काफी है, एक ब्रेसलेट काफी है, एक बैग काफी है, एक पेयर ऑफ फुटवेयर काफी है, और जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हील्स हों, पंप्स हों, कोई बहुत ही ज्यादा फैशनेबल स्टाइलिंग, बहुत ही ज्यादा फैंसी स्टाइलिश फुटवेयर्स हों। एक बेसिक ब्लैक फुटवेयर्स बहुत अच्छे से हर आपके आउटफिट के साथ चल सकते। आई पर्सनली प्रेफर फ्लैट्स बाय द वे। सो या दैट्स द इंटेंट ऑफ द वीडियो। This is how it looks with a basic black t-shirt and this is how it looks with the basic white t-shirt. Personally मेरे को ये white के साथ ज्यादा अच्छी लग रही है क्योंकि पैंट का कलर बहुत खिल के आ रहा है white के साथ and all other accessories are complementing the entire look. This color is a lighter color of the pant. Again the lock is similar to the black pant. You have two locks or two hooks with a zip, and then you have belt loops on the waist. You can style your black belt or a brown belt very nicely, very easily. This is a kind of a beige color that you get in a pant. You get pockets in all these pants. Then it also has pleats which looks very flattering. Now this color goes very well with the darker colors. I can use a t-shirt of a blue color. Like you see, I can wear this pant with a nice blue color, keeping all the accessories same. I can even add a black or a brown belt like you see. And this is how a combination of darker top and a lighter pant looks like. It looks very flattering, very stylish. It all depends on how you carry it confidently. Doesn't matter if you have minimally accessorized or you've gone a notch up. It's all about your styling element. It's all about your style, your personality and your confidence, very importantly, that how you carry your outfits. Then second look we can create with a black t-shirt. Just like a blue t-shirt, you can always wear a black t-shirt. Again, looks very flattering, very stylish with a light colored pant, keeping all the accessories same again. This is how it looks with a black t-shirt. And the third look, I'm creating it with a t-shirt which is a grayish color like you see. It is not very light, not very dark, but perfectly complementing a beige color pant, again keeping all the accessories same. Moving on to the next pant, which is a beautiful gray color, guys. Now gray is one such color whenever you get your formals ready. Gray definitely comes to your mind along with black, right? So gray is one such color which is again very versatile. You can style it with different colors on the top. If you like wearing shirts, just replace the colors of the t-shirt with your shirts. And that's about it, right? So again, let's look at this pant. Exactly same as black and beige pant like I showed. Same styling, same waist, pleated, same fabric. The only difference is the color. I have bought all these different colors to show you that how beautiful all these colors look, and we need not just stick to black. Even a beige or a gray or a brown or a blue looks as beautiful as a black pant. It's just about styling it with the right color of the top, t-shirt, shirt, whatever you're wearing along with it, right? So let's see how we style this gray pant. First of all, we can style it with a white. Like you see, a white plain t-shirt, basic t-shirt along with this gray pant looks so flattering, keeping all my accessories same. Black bag, nude heels, same watch, same glares. That's it, nothing else. I am not even wearing earrings, you guys. You can even add small studs or a jewelry of your choice, really. Styling an outfit with a confidence is the best accessory according to me. This is how it looks with white. Now let's see, wearing it with black also looks very, very beautiful. So you see, white stood out, black also looks very beautiful. At the same time, if I would want to wear it with a gray or a blue, it will look as beautiful as the other two colors. So you just need basic colors of your top shirts and t-shirt, guys, and these pants look very, very beautiful. Moving on to the next pant. This looks black, but it is blue. It looks very royal and classy when you wear it. This pant style is little bit different from the black one. It has an elastic at the back, and I think that will be really helpful to give you your comfort fit. All these pants are in the size 32. One size up can also easily wear it because of this elastic. Again, the pant gives you pleat. All these pants give you pleat. It has pockets on the side, very, very important. The white and blue looks like a hero combination. Looks very expensive, classic, classic chic. Accessorizing it beautifully makes it stand out even more. So I love this color combination. Now, blue on blue also look really nice. You can always enhance your looks, you know. Layer up with a light colored blazer or a light colored shirt. Just take the blazer in your hand or just take the shirt in your hand, and you need not create a hole in your pocket, and still you look like a boss lady when you step into your office, trust me. Alright, the last pant is another light color, you guys. This looks similar to the beige pant that I showed you. This one is slightly darker than the previous pant that I showed you, but the styling of this pant will remain same as the styling of that pant because color family is same. You can try it with a black t-shirt, looks very elegant, and plus we have a black bag, we have black sunglasses. It just comes together beautifully. So we have neutral heels, goes exactly with this pant. We have black bag, we have black shades, and a black dial of the watch. Very detailed element that one can take care of while accessorizing your outfits. The entire outfit looks beautifully put together according to me. Another color that you can try it is with white, definitely. Blue will definitely look very good, and I think gray. Another color of top, shirt, t-shirts that you can try with this pant is blue. Definitely, you can try out white, definitely, you can try out gray, definitely. I think all these colors look really beautiful, these light colored pants. I think any dark color on the top would stand out with a light pant. It's that simple, right? All right, you guys, these were all 6 Korean pants that I bought from Myntra. I spent 12,000 rupees on all these pants just to show you how beautiful all these colors look like, so that you need not spend that kind of amount. Just spend 2,000 rupees and pick up that one pant that you would want to add to your wardrobe, and try it with different colors of tops, shirts, t-shirts that you already have in your almirah. That saves money for you guys, yeah? So guys, these were all the looks that I created with these 6 Korean pants. I hope you liked it. If you did, please share a thumbs up. Share your thoughts, opinions, feedback in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel SP Presents. Till then, you guys take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys.